Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is well. Hope everyone is blessed. I am blessed, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And I hope you all have been into a nice winter weather or wherever you are at this date you may come into. But I'm getting ready to make a bowl of a kind of like a pot of soup, vegetable type soup. And I have some like beef bones, or you want to call them whatever, but they're like I have about four of them in there, and I'm going to mix it later with beef bones with uh, with a little bit with a little bitty meatballs also when I come. But the beef balls have to cook first, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to read you my scripture, and I'll be taking it from Genesis 22:17. I will surely bless you and make you a descendant as numerous as the stars in the sky, as the sand on the seashore. I will surely bless you and make you a descendant as numerous as the stars in the sky and as the sand on the seashore. Genesis 22:17. I hope this reading of this verse will help someone today, tomorrow, next week, or next year, or whenever you all go into the video to look. And I want God to bless you all. May y'all continue to be blessed. And this is the verse for today. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to make this pot. I already have my bones in here, and I'm going now. So now I'm going to put in right now. I won't put the potatoes in right now. I'm going to put in all of my ingredients. I've already started with the black pepper, as I said before I got started. I put in a little black pepper, and I'm putting in a little bit of the complete also.
Y'all, as we always say, put in the seasons of your choice.
Okay. And then I have a little paprika that I'm putting in also. That helps the flavor out with the tomatoes and stuff also. Okay. I already put in the black pepper, so I've already put in some garlic powder, but I put in a little bit more. And also, I'm cooking it with chicken broth. Okay, and this chicken broth is it's seasoned. It's 35% less sodium in it, if you can see, in Swanson. And you see where it said 35% less sodium, so it doesn't have a lot of sodium in it. Okay. All right, now I'm going to be putting in a little bit more. This is onion powder. I've got to really get to the store and get me some more onion powder and different things because my seasoning is running down at pretty low right now. Okay, so now I have here, this is diced tomatoes. I'm going to use half of the can of the diced tomatoes, okay. And, okay. And I also have tomato sauce. I'm going to use half of the can of tomato sauce right now to start with. I may put the rest of it in a minute, but then I've already cut up carrots, even though I'm going to use mixed vegetable as well with carrots in it. These are really the big carrots, and I like these because they do give a lot more seasoning, and so I'm going to put them in there also. But I will put some of the other ones in there also. Okay, in here, I made them a little larger because sometimes the bigger carrots have more seasoning in them than what you get in those little packages. So I have celery, bell pepper, sweet bell pepper, regular bell pepper, whole carrots, and what else do I have in this? Well, I do have in the sweet bell peppers also. Okay, so now I'm going to stir this around a little bit, and I won't put my potatoes in yet because it takes them a little. They'll cook quite faster, and I don't want them to cook too fast. So this gonna be, I'm gonna put this on top of the burner on the stove instead of the Instant Pot. So anybody wants to cook it, you can see how long it's going to take. And I'm going to put them on probably medium high, I guess. I think medium high for about 35, 40 minutes. And I cut them up, I cut them down. But I'm going to start them off like this. Okay, so then I may have to add just a little bit more broth to it. I may add the other can of broth. It's not going to be enough. I'm going to add this other can of, I should have broth. Okay. I'm adding the other can of broth to it. So there's 2 cans of chicken broth that I'm adding so far. And I don't know, when I have to check and see how the seasoning is coming out. If it's not enough, I'll have to put some more on it. But right now, I'm going to take this to the stove and let it get started to cooking for about 30 minutes. And then I'll be back and let y'all see it boiling. Okay? Thank you.
Hey, we'll be back, y'all. Bye-bye.
Hey, y'all. I'm getting ready to put the potatoes in here. So. Okay. Now I have a little bit more of this other soup stuff. I have some seasoned mixed, it said seasoned mixed vegetables, but I'm going to pour some of it. I don't need all of them, so I'm going to pour just half of it in. This is like a vegetable soup, more or less. Okay. All right, I'll be back shortly. You all. This is my final presentation of my vegetable soup for a cold winter day. Okay. This is a final presentation of my vegetable soup that I made. It's a homemade vegetable soup that I made out of beef bones and stuff. And I have all the different stuff in it. And so this is a very nice day this is a very nice thing for a cold winter day like today. And I hope y'all will like this. Hope you will try it. And you saw everything that I put in it from the beginning to the end of it. So now I've just finished eating something else and it's not time for my dinner. So I can't eat right now. I just took some medication, so I have to wait a little while longer. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you will try this it's good old warm vegetable soup that I really made from scratch. So y'all see it has all these good soup bones in it and everything. So it's really good. So thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. With all my love, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Our wonderful vegetable soup for a cold winter day. Thank you all so much. Goodbye now. We'll see you in the next video. All right. Thank you. Goodbye now. Love you.